Hey class, this week we've been talking about the 8 parts of speech, and today is just going to be kind of a review, and we're going to make sure that everybody understands. So we will start off with the first worksheet. And these are the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So I'm going to be calling you up here one by one, and I will have you circle the word to the definition that I'm reading to you, okay? So Kirk, why don't you come up first? And let's see. What word is used in place of a noun? It may take the place of the name of a person, place, or thing. What word does that job? Perfect. And Cole, come up to the board. What word refers to a person, place, thing, quality, action, or idea? Good job. Carson, come up to the board and tell me what describes a verb. Tell us how, when, where, or to what degree. Examples of this word would be today, quickly, outside, barely. That's right. Kevin, why don't you come up and tell me the word that is combined with a noun or pronoun to form a phrase that tells something about another word in a sentence. Awesome, good job. And Kara, why don't you come up to the board next? What word joins together single words or groups of words in a sentence? Awesome, that's perfect. And let's see, Candace, why don't you come up here? What word expresses strong feeling or emotion? It can be a single word or a phrase. Perfect. Amanda, come up to the board and tell me what word describes a noun or a pronoun. It's going to tell us what kind, how many, or which one. Ooh, that's an ugly circle, but yes, that is correct. And then, last but not least, I'll go ahead and answer this one, verb. And a verb is going to be showing what action someone or something is doing. I'll go ahead and circle it just for fun. Okay? For this next activity, we're going to be drawing a line to match the word with its part of speech. So, for noun, we're going to find the noun that is in this column. We'll go ahead and just change up the color. We'll do red. Okay, so Liam, why don't you come up to the board and match noun to its word. Perfect. And Noah, why don't you come up to the board and do the same for pronoun. Good job. Rebecca, come up here and do the word adjective. Good. And I'll do the last one since it's a give me. Verb would be think, because you can think of something. Okay, we're going to be doing the same thing for adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. So, Marley, why don't you come up to the board and match the word adverb. Good job. Jessica, why don't you do preposition? Perfect. Abby, how about you do conjunction? Good job. And then, of course, interjection would be help. And remember, this exclamation point is a give me. It pretty much lets you know that that is an interjection. Okay, now in this next activity, we're going to be dragging the word into the box of the part of speech that it belongs to. So we'll go ahead and get our pointer. And whenever you come up to the board, I'll probably have you just do one for each box, since there's so many words. So, Emily, why don't you come up to the board and go ahead and do one for noun, adjective, verb, and pronoun. Good job. Brianna, how about you go next? Good job. Andre, come up to the board and do 4. Perfect. And Tristan, how about you do the same, if there's enough? Good job. And Cody, go ahead and just get those last 2 for us. Perfect. Okay, and we'll do the same with adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. Let's see. Katie, why don't you come up to the board and just go ahead and do one for each. Perfect. Summer, how about you come up to the board? You can go ahead and do one for each too. Good job, you're getting the hang of it. Alan, come up to the board. Perfect. And Casey, go ahead and come over here. Do the last words we have. Great job. Perfect. Okay, and for the last part of this lesson, we're going to look at this sentence and we're going to highlight each word, and that will tell us what job that is doing. So for the first word, if it's a noun, we're going to highlight it yellow, so on and so forth. So we'll go ahead and get a highlighter. Okay, and just pick whatever colors, and I have the other colors out for us that we need for the other words. Okay, so Kirk, why don't you come back up to the board and do the word the. Perfect. And Cole, you can come and do the word boy. Very good. Carson yelled. Good job. And Kevin, you can do the word help. Good job. Kara, what word is and? Good job. And Candace, what word is he? Perfect. Amanda, do the word saw. Good job. Liam, do the word a. Okay. And then, let's see, Noah, go ahead and do the word brave. Good job. Rebecca, how about you do the word dog? Perfect. Marley, what word is quickly? Great job. And Jessica, what part of speech is run? Good job. Not the two. Here, we can go ahead and fix that. Good job. And let's see, Abby, what word would two be? Perfect. Okay, and the word the. Let's see, who's left? Emily, come up to the board. The word the. Great job. And the last word, rescue. Brianna, why don't you come up? And what is rescue? Perfect. Okay, class, I think everybody's done a great job. It seems to me that everybody has a grasp on this concept, and we're just going to end the class with doing some Mad Libs. And what you do for a Mad Lib is it'll give you a story, and there's going to be random places where it's blank, and it's going to ask you to put a noun, a verb, an adjective of your choice, and you just fill that in, and at the end of it you'll have a pretty funny story, and we'll just read those to each other. So thank you so much for paying attention and participating, and I'm really proud of you guys.